On July 12, 1961, during session 93 of the trial of Adolf Eichmann in Jerusalem, a tense episode occurred during the cross-examination by Israel's Attorney General Gideon Hausner. Eichmann, a former SS officer, was facing charges for his central role in the final solution, which included organizing the mass deportation of millions of Jews to ghettos and extermination camps in occupied Europe. Towards the end of the session, Hausner introduced document number 1663, an order issued by Eichmann's section between March and April 1942. This order authorized the deportation of Jews to Izbica, a transit ghetto near Lublin in the general government of occupied Poland. Izbica, however, was not the final destination of the transports. From there, the majority of deportees were sent on to extermination camps such as Björk, Sobibor, or Majdanek, as part of the first large-scale phases of the final solution following the Wannsee Conference held in January of that year. Hausner used this document to attempt to dismantle Eichmann's defense, in which he claimed to be merely a bureaucrat who managed train schedules without knowing the final destination. The prosecutor pointed out that the text did not mention camps such as Auschwitz or Sachsenhausen in Oranienburg, but only routes to transit ghettos such as Izbica, Lublin, or Krakow. He argued that these names were nothing more than Nazi euphemisms designed to avoid direct reference to the pure extermination centers. The absence of references to conventional concentration camps demonstrated that Eichmann knew the genocidal purpose. Therefore, this was not a matter of resettlement or forced labor as in other cases, but of immediate death. Moreover, since the order had been issued from Eichmann's own office, Hausner stated that this proved his active involvement in the implementation of the final solution, rather than a passive role as a mere little cog. The tension reached its peak when Hausner pressed Eichmann directly on the fate of those Jews, as Eichmann once again attempted to evade responsibility.
ולכן כשאתה הוצאת בחתימתך הנחיות, 1663 שלנו, בחתימתך הנחיות לגירוש יהודים לאיזביצה על יד לובלין, אין חובת דיווח לאורניינבורג, אין חובת דיווח לקצת אושוויץ, אלא אך ורק ללובלין ולקרקאו, מפני שזה הולך ישר להשמדה, נכון?
Der Inhalt stimmt, dieses Schnellbriefes. Es war dafür zuständig der Staatsminister für das Sicherheitswesen im Generalkommando.
Ich frage Sie, ob diese Juden für die Vernichtungslager bestimmt waren. Ja oder nein?
Das will ich gar nicht bestreiten.
Das wollen Sie nicht bestreiten, aber sagen Sie ja.
Es wurde so befohlen.
Es wurde so befohlen.